Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Edge 70 Fusion, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone dialer, then enroll more options, go to contacts and choose the contact that you want to personalize. Now select edit and click on profile picture. And you can either open your camera and grab photo right now, you can open your gallery and pick some photo from your gallery. You can go with, you can go with Google Photos, you can create Monogram or add some illustration here. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to customize contacts. I'll go with something from my gallery. Now you can customize it however you like. And also rotate it here. Okay, so let's leave it this way. Tap on choose, mark save, and that's it. From now on, this photo is applied to this particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.